let's see how many moms in the chat box, if you can let me know, how many of you know what is a QR code? QR code. Karina, can you see the chat box? Because it's not
Yes,
visible.
ma'am, I am there. But some moms do not, and some it's a mixed response.
Okay. So now the entire, ecosystem is dependent on QR codes. QR code is simply called, is a short form of quick response code. आपने बहुत जगह एक कोड देखा होगा, अगर आप व्हाट्सएप को भी अगर आपको कंप्यूटर पे देखना है तो एक क्यूआर कोड आ जाता है जिसको हम कैमरा से स्कैन करते हैं और एकदम व्हाट्सएप स्टार्ट हो जाता है हमारे कंप्यूटर पे, राइट? आपने बहुत जगह देखा होगा, पेटीएम करने के लिए अगर आप किसी शॉप पे खड़े हैं तो उन्होंने भी एक क्यूआर कोड लगाया होता है। आप जैसे ही अपने फोन से स्कैन करते हैं वो क्यूआर कोड पेटीएम खुल जाता है, वो उस दुकान का, उस शॉप का पेमेंट गेटवे खुल जाता है, एंड यू कैन मेक द पेमेंट वेरी इजीली। सो क्यूआर कोड, मॉम्स प्लीज टेक नोट्स। इस सेशन के बाद you have to understand what is a QR code, because it's going to be everywhere now. आप जिस दुकान में जाएंगे, आप किसी एग्जीबिशन में भी जाएंगे, जब हम पहले एग्जीबिशन में जाते थे तो हमें मोटी मोटी कैटलॉग मिलती थी। आज अगर आप किसी भी एग्जीबिशन में जाएंगे और आप कैटलॉग मांगेंगे तो वो सोचेंगे कि आप कहीं स्टोन एज से आए हैं। आज अगर आप कैटलॉग मांगेंगे तो वो आपको एक क्यूआर कोड किसी दीवार पे या किसी कहीं पर वो टेबल पे क्यूआर कोड होगा, वो आपको कहेंगे मैम इसको स्कैन कर लीजिए, आपको पूरी की पूरी कैटलॉग डाउनलोड हो जाएगी आपके कंप्यूटर में। एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज्ड एंड एवरीबडी, इवन अ सब्जी वाला ऑन अ ठेला will has a Paytm QR code. So that is how evolved even our sabzi walas are becoming. Moms, where are you? So QR code is something you got to learn, and Karina and the gang is going to teach you what QR codes are. Then, of course, net banking we've already spoken about. How many of you are actually savvy on WhatsApp? Let's see it in the chat box. And when I say WhatsApp, I mean taking pictures, forwarding pictures, and a lot. Like WhatsApp has a lot of other things also you can do. Okay, great. I can see lots of moms are there on WhatsApp. Huh? WhatsApp seems to be like, see, so you are tech savvy, you're already on the track. All you need is a little push into the other things. After that, of course, Paytm and Google Pay and the social media we spoke about, which is your Instagram and Twitter and Facebooks. Anything. If you're good in painting, if you're good as an artist, if you like painting, make a painting, put it on Instagram, link it. Instagram is linked with Facebook. Your friends, your relatives can see that. If you're cooking something very nice, if you're Sindhi and if you're making Sindhi curry today, just take a video and put it on Instagram and that link it to Facebook. You will be everywhere. Everybody will ask you about your Sindhi curry recipe. Or for that matter, anything, Rajasthani cuisine or a Bangalore cuisine or anything could do. And of course, you also need to be savvy, not just with your phone, but also a little bit with the computer. You should know what is making a Word document. Sometimes when you would go to a government office, they will tell you, madam, एक application type करके लेके आइए. Right? So you don't want to go to a typist because you don't know even a simple thing like typing. So all you have to do is, even if you don't have a computer, तो बच्चों के पास computer है, you can just simply take a Word document and type out that simple letter, maybe one or two paragraphs. And you should know, basic things like cut, copy, save. giving the print command. These are as basics. Yeah, you guys have given birth to kids. You guys have done an amazing job of bringing up these kids, running the entire household, managing your husbands. What is this? This is nothing in front of you. ये तो बाएं हाथ की एक छोटी उंगली के बराबर काम दिया है मैंने आपको. You can do it, and the moment you do it, you will be the star of your house. अभी सब खाना जब याद आता है तो मम्मी मम्मी करते हैं, उसके बाद जब टेक्नोलॉजी की बात आएगी तब भी मम्मी मम्मी करेंगे, बिकॉज दे विल बी ग्लैड. यार हमारी मॉम तो लाइक शी इज अ स्टार. So we need to be, totally knowing how to use our smartphone capably. और आज की डेट में स्मार्टफोन हम सबके पास है, बट हम यूज किस लिए करते हैं उसको? सिर्फ एक फोन करना, या फोन आ गया या फोन करना, या फिर व्हाट्सएप. बट आवर फोन कैन एक्चुअली make our lives easier. And moms, come out of that shell. अब आपने बच्चे हो जाएंगे बड़े, अपने आप हो जाएंगे. Ask for help from your family. Give yourself some time. It's time to come out and actually do something for yourself. Maybe just sit at home and learn. I'm not saying you have to go out and take up a job, but keep learning. There's so much to learn from the technology, from the internet. So, moms, you are not indispensable. आप थोड़ा टाइम अपने ऊपर लगाइए. I'm not saying ignore the family. I don't mean to say that. But I mean to say that if you think that you are indispensable, आपके बिना घर नहीं चलेगा, तो ऐसा नहीं है. So spend time on yourselves. You are lucky that these kids are going to now be after you to teach you technology and to make sure that you are the super moms of today. And before we start the question answers, I'll just say one thing, that if someone tells you that you can't, don't believe it. It's a reflection of their limitations, not yours. You are capable to do whatever you want to do. So go ahead and do whatever you want to do.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing that. And अभी आपने थोड़ा सा माहौल उसको sad कर दिया, but it was actually so good and so inspiring. And I hope that all the moms could take something back from this session, the importance of technology that holds now, because with everything going digital after the pandemic, there's a much more need of being technology savvy, technology literate, so that there's no problem at all in their lives. They can accomplish everything, and which is obviously possible for our moms. They've done so much. Why not this small technological gap that they can easily bridge at home? So this is the entire motive that Pace Up Mom stands for. We are just kids aged say 15 to 20 years, but we will try our best so that we can help you all, and you all can accomplish everything that's there. Also, as ma'am mentioned, a few apps. If you're new to that, if you're new to Instagram, maybe Paytm, maybe the QR code thing, we will cover everything for you. Every week we will have some or the other session, and all these doubts, all these softwares, new apps will be covered, and you all will have no problem after that. We assure you of that. So thank you so much for being there all today. We would just like ma'am to answer a few questions that were there in the chat box. Ma'am, should I just state the question and then you can answer?
Absolutely.
Yes. Ma'am, so someone has asked that they want to know about your first book.
My first book is called Thank God It's Monday, and it's a business book. It talks about my journey. It talks about certain sales strategies that you must use, and it's got some interviews also of people, of first generation entrepreneurs who have made it from 10 rupees to 1100 crore industry. उन्होंने जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था तो उनके जेब में 10 रुपए थे, और उन्होंने कैसे ट्राई अगेन स्ट्रगल कर करके आज एक इतना बड़ा एम्पायर बना लिया, विच इज अ ह्यूज एम्पायर स्पैनिंग अक्रॉस इंडिया. into 1100 crores. So certain inspiring stories like that in the book. And my other book, I mean, these books have just gone to the publishers because of COVID. We got a bit delayed in publishing them, but I will definitely inform you when they are getting launched. And the second book is basically called Making a Difference, and that book has got my private, my life story, how I started, got into the business, and how I started as an entrepreneur, and the kind of journey that I've had throughout my life. So that is more on the inspirational side, where I feel that if I tell my story, I can inspire many people, many women out there. And the first book is, of course, a business book.
That's great to know, ma'am. Let us know when it's out. We'll surely have a look at that as well. The next question is societal pressures and expectations are the reasons why women don't aspire for bigger goals. So, how do you think they should proceed further, and what advice would you give to all these women who are attending the webinar today?
Well, as I said, that don't keep yourself in a box. If you aspire to do, because the number one thing is you should have an aspiration. अगर आप सोचते हो कि आपको कुछ करना चाहिए, and करना चाहिए means not just the aim is not earning money. The aim is to make a difference. As I said, there are a lot of people making a difference. If you feel that you want to come out of that, if you're happy as a mom means if you're happy within the four walls of your house, if you're happy doing what you're doing, it's okay. Nobody is telling you to just, break open the door and just walk out and try doing something. But if you have something in your heart, अगर आपके दिल में है कि मैं कुछ करना चाहती थी, मैंने करा नहीं, it's still time for you to exploring that, and nobody can say no to you. You are an individual. Yes, it is how you communicate to your family. Because suddenly, if you tomorrow open the door and say, I'm walking out and I'm wanting to do this thing on my own, people in your family may get shocked. So, communication, as I put there in one of my slides, is very important for you to tell people in your house what you want to do. There are examples of ladies, of women in their 80s starting a business. And all that is on the internet. You can see how women are making a difference across the world. Yes, there are very few of them because of societal pressures, and that societal pressure nobody has put on you. It is you who has put it on yourself. Nobody told you that you cannot do. You probably at some stage in your life thought कि पहले मैं शादी कर लूं, फिर मैं मेरे बच्चे हो जाएंगे, फिर मैं पहले बच्चों को देखूंगी. You have yourself made these stages in your life. And it's not late right now also. If you feel मुझे कुछ करना है, मुझे कुछ difference लाना है, किसी maybe start making your videos, start writing a book, attend some webinars, अपने network को बढ़ाइए, लोगों से मिलिए. बहुत कुछ है सीखने को. एक ओशन है, इतना गहरा समुंदर है कि आप कभी भी पूरा सीख ही नहीं पाएंगे हम लोग. इतना कुछ है. So start doing that. There is no societal pressure. Don't. किसी ने आपको मना नहीं किया है. आपने कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं किया अपने घर वालों के साथ, या अपने आप से आपने कभी बात नहीं करी कि मुझे क्या करना है. आप पहले, the first thing is make yourself clear what I want to do. And when you are clear, when you have that conversation with yourself, then you talk to your husband or to your kids, and they will make sure कि आप आगे जाएं और आप काम करें.